guys. Well, in here, just want to show you. I got 5 trays, especially shrunk up a bit. Dehydrating mullein leaves. That's what we're doing today. I'm going to go outside and show you what mullein plants look like and explain a little bit what they're good for. I'm drying the leaves so I can make tea. Now let's go see and take a look at it, what these mullein plants look like. I'm sure you've seen them before. Well, this is what a mullein plant looks like, and I'm guessing this is the first year. I guess they live 2 years, and they grow a big, huge, tall stalk coming out of the middle of them. Well, what I did was I had a whole bunch of little ones here. I decided to keep a couple. You pick out the inner leaves. The ones in the way outside, I guess, aren't so good, but I guess these inner ones, that's what has the most beneficial stuff in them for when you make tea. I guess it's like a good expectorant. It's supposed to promote lung health and shit. And if you have a cold, I guess it's good to have some of this tea to get up some of that phlegm and stuff out of your lungs. This is where I usually have my tomatoes and green peppers, but I haven't had luck with green peppers, so I'm just going to stick with tomatoes. Oh great, got a jet going overhead. Anyway, this is where I usually plant my tomatoes, and here's another one. I'm going to let these two go. I already cleaned out all the other little ones and gathered up the leaves, and then I'm going to try to make some tea and see how it tastes and what it does. But anyway, I'm not doing green peppers this year because I don't have no luck, like I said. And there's one other thing I want to show you here. Well, let me see if I can reach it. Here's a look at this. Here's a rutabaga turnip. I got St. Patrick's Day. I never ate it, and it's growing out of the top of it. So I'm going to plant this too. They say cut it in half or something for the roots, but it looks like it's pretty happy just the way it is. So I'm going to plant this whole thing in the ground when it gets a little warmer out, of course. And it's not going to make rutabaga this year, but it will make a bunch of seeds that I can plant next year. So just an experiment. I'm going to throw this in the ground, and come fall, we'll take a look at it and see what it looks like. If it grows, I'm just going to put the whole thing in the ground and see what happens. But these things here, they weren't here when my tomato plants were here when I harvested them. So they came after I harvested the tomato plants, and they were here underneath the snow all winter. These things are hardy suckers. I mean, they were buried in snow. All the snow off my porch covered these things right up. I mean, feet and feet of snow, and these things they're hardy suckers because they were green underneath the snow all winter. Well, here in the near future, I'll let you know what the tea was like, and we're going to check on this rutabaga in the fall, but springtime's here, so just wanted to show you this, what my project is I'm working on. So, thanks for hanging out with me. If you like this, let me know. Alright, take care, guys. Happy spring. Alright, guys, as an afterthought, I know I already said goodbye, but this mullein plant, and also, they used to call it cowboy toilet paper. This is so soft. It's softer than any Charmin you can buy. And it's, of course, it doesn't cause no skin irritation. Like, you don't want to use poison ivy to wipe yourself. But this stuff here, if I had enough of it, I'd rather use this than Charmin. It's so soft. Cowboy toilet paper. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this. And we'll see what happens with this stuff. When they come fall, I got some other stories to tell you about the seeds and what they can do. All right. Talk to you later. Have a good spring again. Happy spring. Well, thank you for watching my video to the end. Well, since you did, I'd like to ask you to subscribe, like, and share if you like this video. You never know what's going to be happening next, so stay tuned check back with me and see what's going on. I'll try to post a video once or twice a week to see what he's up to now. All right. Have a great day. Thank you very much.